Put simply, biotechnology is the application of all natural sciences and engineerings for the benefit of mankind in the production of products and services. The Bachelor of Science program in Biotechnology at UNSW deals exactly with that and involves the development of basic sciences, the production of new techniques for the future, including things such as recombinant DNA technology, epigenetics, cloning, etc., and as well as the commercialization aspects of biotech, so patenting and business planning.
I sat down with a big fat book of careers, read about biotechnology, and I realized this is what I want to be doing, just because it seemed to be one of those degrees that actually incorporated with study practical applications of it.
The idea of studying something and then being able to move to where you wanted to go, things like bioremediation, like biomining, things like genetic engineering, tissue engineering, regenerative medicine, just some of those things that kind of took my interest as parts, but then all together that just kind of sealed the deal.
High school students should be looking at studying mathematics and chemistry, and they should also have an interest in the aspects of biology.
When I was in high school, I enjoyed both biology and chemistry, so I wanted to do a subject that is multidisciplinary and can be applied in daily life.
In the first year, students get a fundamental basics of all the sciences. There is an option to take introductory biotechnology, which will give them a taste for the different flavours of biotech and look for their future specialisation within the field. In the second year, we start to then develop their skills as a biotechnologist with both broad and new biotechnology techniques, ranging from bioprocessing to recombinant DNA technology, protein engineering, etc. In the third year, they then start to specialise in the various aspects of biotechnology. Courses on environmental biotechnology, medical biotechnology, and they also deal therefore with the commercialisation aspects, so there are professional issues in biotechnology, learning how to patent biotech products, organisms. I mean, can you patent a recombinant organism? And as well as making business plans. And then finally, the fourth year is basically a research year. Students are embedded either within a university research lab or an industrial research lab, and they undertake an innovative research project that lasts the entire year.
The knowledge and skills acquired at the undergraduate level basically taught me how to set goals, how to work towards things, independent study, and also fostering a really curious mind.
Studying biotechnology was really interesting, purely because of the multifaceted nature of it and multidisciplinary. I particularly liked biotechnology and molecular biology, and so I majored in both.
A lot of people I know are looking at becoming research assistants, but then there's also a lot more to it. For instance, someone like myself, I'm interested in the executing side of things, so that's logistics, management, and kind of taking a project into the global market. And then there's also a lot of things like the legislative side of things, like becoming a patent attorney. So there's a lot of career options. You're not at all restricted into one field.
When a new graduate gets their first job in the biotech industry, usually they'll be joining a team that will be investigating one or more problems and trying to solve those problems. At the more complex end, we now do things like produce insulin for human diabetics, so that they're able to have the hormones they need every day. Or we can produce antibodies so that we can detect new diseases. These are the sort of products that can be produced now that we can harness the full code in nature available in the DNA of all sorts of organisms.
I'm excited by biotechnology because it is a multidisciplinary subject. It does use all the natural sciences and engineering. You're not restricting yourself in any one aspect.